Today we're working on this 10-year-old all-in-one PC that was still running Windows 10. Since Microsoft has ended support for Windows 10, the customer wanted to upgrade to Windows 11. But this computer wasn't compatible. So, we upgraded it to Windows 11 without losing any data, programs, or software. Everything stayed exactly the same. The system was also very slow, because it still had an old hard drive, so we cloned the data to a brand new SSD and installed it back into the PC. Now it's running super fast with the latest Windows 11, and it feels like a brand new computer. If you've got an older PC stuck on Windows 10 and it won't upgrade, bring it to Conneq Computers. We'll upgrade it safely, quickly, and without losing your files.